Hey, food lovers! Are you dreaming of an island getaway that tantalizes your taste buds? Look no further than the Seychelles. This archipelago isn't just about pristine beaches and turquoise waters. It's a melting pot of flavors waiting to be explored. Join me as we dive into the heart of Seychellois cuisine, where fresh ingredients and vibrant spices create culinary magic. Imagine yourself strolling through bustling markets, the air thick with the aroma of exotic fruits and spices. Picture savoring freshly caught seafood, grilled to perfection and seasoned with Creole flair. Envision yourself sipping on tropical cocktails as the sun sets over the Indian Ocean. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or simply enjoy exploring new cultures through their cuisine, the Seychelles offers a truly unforgettable gastronomic adventure. So buckle up, grab your appetite, and let's embark on a culinary journey through paradise. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover the hidden culinary gems of this island nation. From traditional Creole dishes to international flavors with a local twist, Seychelles has something to offer every palate. Let the adventure begin. For a true taste of Seychellois culture, a visit to the local markets is a must. Imagine a kaleidoscope of colors, aromas, and sounds as you navigate through stalls brimming with fresh produce, seafood, and spices. The most famous market is the Sir Selwyn Clark Market in Victoria, the capital city. It's a feast for the senses. Imagine mountains of ruby red tomatoes, glistening eggplants, and vibrant green mangoes. The air is filled with the sweet scent of pineapples, papayas, and other tropical fruits. Don't be afraid to chat with the friendly vendors. They're passionate about their products and love to share their knowledge. You can even sample exotic fruits you've never seen before. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you leave the market. The energy and vibrancy of the markets are contagious. You'll find yourself caught up in the excitement as locals bargain for the best deals and share stories over fresh produce. Seychellois cuisine is a delicious fusion of flavors, reflecting the island's rich history and cultural influences. French, African, Indian, and Chinese flavors blend harmoniously, creating a unique and unforgettable culinary tapestry. One of the most iconic dishes is ladob. This flavorful curry can be made with fish, chicken, or pork, simmered in a coconut milk broth with spices like ginger, turmeric, and chilies. It's often served with lentil dal, a comforting lentil stew, and satini, a zesty condiment made with grated green papaya, lemon juice, and chilies. Another must-try is carpaccio de poisson, a refreshing appetizer of thinly sliced raw fish marinated in lime juice, ginger, and chilies. The fish, often caught just hours before, is incredibly fresh and melts in your mouth. For a true taste of the ocean, be sure to try the grilled fish. Red snapper, jobfish, and parrotfish are popular choices, seasoned with simple yet flavorful ingredients like garlic, ginger, and chilies. Section 4. From Ocean to Plate. Savoring the fresh catch of the day. Surrounded by the Indian Ocean, Seychelles boasts an abundance of fresh seafood. It's a seafood lover's paradise. From succulent prawns and lobsters to snapper, tuna, and octopus, the options are endless. One of the best ways to enjoy the catch of the day is to have it grilled. Imagine tender, flaky fish, cooked over an open fire, the smoky aroma filling the air. It's simple, yet incredibly flavorful. Another popular option is to have your fish cooked in a Creole sauce. Imagine a rich, flavorful sauce made with tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger, and a medley of spices. It's the perfect blend of sweet, sour, and spicy, adding a burst of flavor to the delicate fish. Whether you prefer it grilled, curried, or cooked in a Creole sauce, you're guaranteed a memorable seafood experience in Seychelles. Section 5. Beyond the Beach. Indulging in iconic Seychellois restaurants. While enjoying meals at your resort is always an option, venturing out to local restaurants allows you to experience the true essence of Seychellois cuisine. For a truly authentic experience, head to Marie Antoinette, a charming restaurant housed in a traditional Creole plantation house. It's been serving up delicious Seychellois dishes for over 50 years. Their specialty is the Creole buffet, where you can sample a wide variety of traditional dishes. If you're in the mood for fine dining with breathtaking ocean views, Bon Bon Plume is the perfect spot. This elegant restaurant, perched on a hilltop overlooking Onslaughts Beach, offers a modern take on Seychellois cuisine. Their seafood dishes are particularly noteworthy, featuring the freshest catches of the day. For a more casual dining experience, check out La Plage restaurant on Beauvalon Beach. This beachfront restaurant offers stunning ocean views and a relaxed atmosphere. Their grilled seafood and Creole curries are highly recommended. Section 6. Sweet endings and tropical delights. Desserts and drinks in Seychelles. No culinary journey is complete without indulging in sweet treats and refreshing drinks, and Seychelles doesn't disappoint. One of the most popular desserts is the ladob banane, a sweet version of the savory dish. Ripe plantains are simmered in coconut milk with cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla, creating a comforting and flavorful dessert. For a refreshing treat, try the calis, a sweet and tangy drink made with fresh fruit juice, shaved ice, and condensed milk. It's the perfect way to cool down on a hot day. And of course, no trip to Seychelles is complete without sipping on a tropical cocktail. From classic piña coladas and mojitos to local concoctions like the coco d'amour, made with coconut rum, pineapple juice, and cream of coconut, there's a cocktail for every taste. Section 7. Bon appétit. Embark on your own Seychellois culinary adventure. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the diverse and delectable world of Seychellois cuisine. From the bustling markets brimming with fresh produce to the charming local restaurants serving up traditional dishes, Seychelles offers a culinary adventure like no other. On your next trip to this island paradise, be sure to venture beyond the resorts and discover the true flavors of Seychelles. Embrace the local culture through its food, engage with the friendly vendors, and savor every bite. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you for it. Bon appétit!